Good morning. We just got one solar panel cleaning today. Got my dad joining me. He's gonna see what it's all about. But yeah, should be quick and simple. Gonna go to the gas station first, get my morning juice, get a water, and we'll see you there. You want anything?
I'm good.
Okay. Morning.
Hey, what's up, boss? Anything else?
That'll be it.
Alright. Wanna receive it back?
I know that good. Alright, got the morning juice, got the water. Gonna head to the client's house. It's about 10 minutes this way, and I'll see you there. Alright. Morning, how we doing?
Good, how are you?
Dominic.
Dominic?
Nice to meet you. This is recording, by the way. Is that all right? Post videos on our YouTube.
Do I need makeup or anything?
Nah, you're good. Are all the panels right here, or just
There's
spread
6
across?
here and 9 on the other side.
Okay, this won't take more than an hour. Big man doing parkour. Put your foot there on top. All right, careful. All right, all done with the first panel here. This is what they're supposed to look like. Glossy black, no dust, dirt, or debris, getting the most amount of efficiency as possible. You come over here, you see more of a grayscale color in the panels. They don't look the best. I could take my hand and you can see the dust coming off, and then look at that. That is disgusting. Super dirty, super clean. We'll see you when all these are done. All right. All these panels are going to be cleaned up, looking great, no dust or debris whatsoever. So these are going to be getting the most amount of efficiency as possible. We got Dad over here starting the last 6. And again, before, after, he's still cleaning this one, but you can still see the difference. It's night and day. Come back when we're done with these. All right. Just finished with these 6. More of a glossy black color to them instead of that gray scale that you always see. Dad's at the truck right now. He just got down. We're going to load up, get paid, and get out of here for the day. All right,
All set?
All set for you.
Good deal. I can't wait to see what happens. Thank you very much for everything.
Well, thank you kindly, man. Yeah. Sounds good. Have a good one. All right. How's your first day?
What?
How was your first day?
It was good.
All right, we just got paid. We're all done for the day. Gonna head back home, unload the truck. You guys have a good one. We'll see you home. All right, just got back home. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share more, and I'll give you a cookie. Stay blessed. Have a good one.